This video explains important things to know about workers' compensation appeals at the Arizona Court of Appeals, Division 1. All workers' compensation appeals must be filed at the Arizona Court of Appeals, Division 1. However, your case might be sent to the Arizona Court of Appeals, Division 2 in Tucson, if you, one of the other parties, or their attorney, lives in one of these counties. If your case is moved, the court will let you know and tell you how to contact Division 2. Workers' compensation cases are governed by Arizona laws and the Arizona Administrative Code. In addition, the Arizona Rules of Civil Appellate Procedure and Rules 21 through 26 of the Arizona Rules of Procedure for Special Actions are used in workers' compensation appeals. Find links to these resources below. The party who filed the petition for special action in the Court of Appeals is the petitioner. Each party on the other side is a respondent. Appeals can move slowly, and many cases take more than a year. When you file any documents at the Court of Appeals, you must give a copy to the other parties, or their attorney, if they have one. This is called service, and there are special rules for how to do it. Watch the video called Things to Know About Service for more information. You can find contact information for the other party's attorneys in the notice of appearance they filed when the court opened your case. To serve the Industrial Commission, send copies of your documents to its chief counsel. The Court of Appeals might place your case in its pro bono program, which connects a self-represented party with a volunteer attorney in certain cases. If the court places your case in the program, you can choose not to participate and continue to represent yourself. You can also ask to be included in the program by filing a request to participate in pro bono program form, which is available on the court's website. The court does not grant all requests. If you think there was a legal mistake in your case, you can ask the Court of Appeals to review it to make sure it was done right. But an appeal is not a do-over of your case. You will not have a new hearing at the Court of Appeals, and you cannot bring in new evidence or witnesses. Some common reasons people appeal are that they think the administrative law judge did not consider the right evidence, did not follow the right hearing rules, or used the law the wrong way. If you think one of these mistakes or another mistake happened in your case, be sure to point that out in your opening brief and tell the court why it mattered. Watch the video called How to Write in the File Briefs for more information. The Court of Appeals will consider the things that you point out as mistakes in your opening brief. It will not re-examine your entire case looking for mistakes or change the result just because you think it was wrong or unfair. Even if there was a mistake, it might not change the outcome in your case. We hope the information in this video makes it easier to manage your case. For more information, visit the court's website or contact the court.